Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot cheesy broccoli soup. Alright guys, I'm starting out. I have one small onion, or you can use a half of an onion. I diced fine. That's going to go into the Instant Pot. And it's going to be a really quick and easy, hearty, delicious soup. I have roughly about 3 cups of chopped broccoli. Now you can dice this up smaller if you like, but I like some pieces you can actually bite into. We're going to get that in there. And I'm going to add in 4 broths of chicken broth down in there. Okay, I'm going to seal my lid on here. Put my lid on, make sure I'm set on seal. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. Then when my 8 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, now that I did that quick release of the pressure, I'm going to set my pressure cooker on the saute setting. We're going to bring this up to a gentle boil. Now as that's warming up, I'm going to add in a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Just want to stir that in there, guys. And I'm going to add in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And I'm just going to eyeball this, guys. If I go over a little bit, that's alright. Extra cheese never hurt anybody. And guys, I say this would make about 6 servings. And I'm just going to stir my cheese in here. It's going to melt as this heats up even hotter, and it's going to start to thicken up a little bit. And I might add a little more cheese. I'm just going to let this go for a minute and keep an eye on it and see where it goes. And I think I'm going to throw a little more cheese in, because like I says, guys, a little extra cheese never hurts. This is going to be roughly about 3 cups of cheese going in here. So I'm going to allow this to come up to a simmer and let it just simmer away for a few minutes to help melt that cheese down and thicken it up a little bit. Alright guys, my soup is done. It's thickened up some. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Right there you have it, guys. Instant Pot cheesy broccoli soup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.